Ladies and gentlemen, our socio-economic transformation to be truly inclusive, we must empower all Kenyans, regardless of background, to effectively play their part by contributing to national building efforts and partaking of the dividends of shared prosperity. High quality and relevant education is vital in imparting the necessary skills and competencies to our learners from pre-primary to tertiary levels in order to enable citizens engage meaningfully with the world of the present and the world of the future. A week ago, we launched the Presidential Working Party on Education Reforms to review all aspects of education in Kenya. Its findings and recommendations shall inform subsequent necessary interventions to ensure that Kenya delivers the caliber of education, skills, and training needed to successfully pursue sustainable development. As we do that, ladies and gentlemen, we are equally